Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about headers and attributes of body tag. So, there are four main attributes of the body tag. The first attribute is body BG color. Let's first learn about what is an attribute. An attribute means something that is involved in the same tag in HTML. So we are not going to close this tag in between. Body BG color. Now if I want my background color of the web page to be blue, I will type blue. Similarly, to set the text color, we type text and the color. And then come the margins. So, we in that we set the margins. So these are the margin attributes. We have set the top margin, bottom margin, right margin and left margin to 10. Now we will close the angular bracket and then we will add a blank line. We will also add a blank line. And now the text would be white. And as as you as you may know, the title shows the heading, which means the name of that tab. So in Google Chrome, you have tabs. So it is the name of the tab. So if I want my title in a content, I will use headers. You can add up to 6 headers. H1. So our first header. And then the H1 will be closed. So now I have written the body of the text, the body of the web page and the about us heading. Now we will test it. And from this video we are going to test every program we make. So this is our web page we made right now. The tab name of the web page is Cyber with Aditi. And as you can see, this is the tab we made together. Also now you can do this with your own program by saving, just as we did in our first video. And then we save the program in the notepad editor, and then we use the shortcut control key plus O. So you have to press the both keys simultaneously and this web page will open up. So actually, you you want you will view our own file. The window appears and you have to select the file, and the web page will open, your web page. And also, if there is something happens and it says that there is an error, or whatever you added in the body text or the header is not visible to you, you have to recheck your program. Add closings properly, add startings properly, and also add the background colors and text colors appropriately. So that's all for now. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Bye bye, and please stay tuned to know more about HTML. Thank you.